Welcome to our video on AI and its impacts on the job market. Today, we will explore the effects of AI on job opportunities and how it is reshaping industries. To understand the impacts of AI on the job market, let's start by defining AI and automation. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, while automation involves the use of technology to perform tasks without human intervention. One of the major concerns related to AI is job displacement. AI has the potential to replace certain jobs, leading to changes in the job market. Let's take a look at some examples of tasks that are susceptible to automation. Jobs like data entry, customer service, and manufacturing processes can be automated, leading to changes in the workforce. While AI may displace certain jobs, it also creates new job opportunities. Emerging roles like AI specialists, data scientists, and AI trainers are in high demand. AI is not just about creating new jobs, but also transforming existing ones. Workers can use AI technology to enhance their work and improve productivity. The economic impact of AI on the job market is significant. It can lead to increased productivity, cost savings, and new business opportunities. As AI becomes more prevalent in the job market, ethical considerations arise. It is important to discuss the potential ethical implications of AI and ensure responsible use. To thrive in the AI-powered future, embracing lifelong learning is crucial. Continuous learning and adaptability will help individuals stay relevant in a rapidly changing job market. Collaboration between humans and AI is another key aspect. By working together, humans and AI can achieve greater efficiency and innovation in various industries. In conclusion, AI has both positive and negative impacts on the job market. It is important to understand the changes it brings, embrace opportunities, and adapt to the AI-powered future. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by liking and subscribing for more amazing content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you may have, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and embracing the possibilities. Take care. Namaste.